I'm gonna teach you how to trade Forex in only 7 minutes. See, before I did 10 minutes with stock options trading, but I was like, you know what, maybe I could do it a little bit quicker because I know our attention spans are short. We have shorts, TikToks, Reels. I mean, literally, it's called short for a reason. So I wanna make sure this is too, and I hope you like it. By the way, my name is Kelly OG. I'm a 21-year-old entrepreneur, and probably the biggest secret that you've never heard of, but now you have, so search me up or watch my videos if you want the rest. Let's begin. What is Forex? So Forex stands for foreign exchange. Y'all like my little thing I did here? It took me 2 hours to get this done, guys. 2 hours. It stands for foreign exchange, right? So think of it like a scale. In the morning, you may weigh 150 pounds when you step on the scale. Now, as you eat, you walk, you go to the gym, different factors are going to affect your weight. So it's gonna fluctuate. So you may weigh 150 in the morning, but by the nighttime, you added an extra 5 pounds because you went to a buffet and you ate really good. Think of this as how you're exchanging currencies based on their fluctuation in price. Different news, economical factors, whatever it may be, will affect how prices weigh against each other. If you think about it, foreign exchange is the literal exchange of foreign currencies. Now, there are 28 total pairs, as you can see right here, but today we're gonna focus on GBP USD, which is the Great British Pound and the US dollar. Now, whenever you see Forex pairs written, they're going to be written like this. They're gonna be the initials slash and then the initials again. So you have a primary and secondary currency. So as you guys can see on these bullet points right here, we're gonna get right into them and not waste any time. If GBP, aka the primary currency, is stronger and USD, aka the secondary currency, is weaker, then price will buy. So if the primary currency is stronger than the secondary currency, price is gonna buy, which then you can kind of assume because that's actually what it is. If the secondary currency is stronger than the primary currency, then price is going to sell. So if the primary is stronger, it'll buy. If the primary is weaker, it will sell. Remember, this works with any pair. This is not just GBP USD. Weakness and strength, guys, is determined off fundamentals, not technicals. So fundamentals is news and economical factors. Technicals is when you're looking at the charts and looking at past data to determine future data. Hope that helped. Now, people may ask, how do you make money? Well, you're gonna need a broker, and you can use any broker that you want. But if you wanna use the broker I use, link is in the description. You will be able to trade using these platforms called MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I prefer MetaTrader 5. I think it has a lot more features and it may really help you. And they may come out with a MetaTrader 6, but for now, as I'm recording this, they have 5 and it's super awesome. So these allow you to execute trades, and your broker is the one that allows you to send your trades into the market and make money, and then they'll pay you out. Now, how do you know what price will do, guys? Listen, technical analysis, it's that simple. There's fundamental analysis as well, but technical analysis, which includes trading view, it's gonna include chart patterns, candlesticks, market structure. If you don't know what those are, I have a lot of videos on technical analysis on my channel, and you can always, of course, search them up and learn from whoever you see fit. But that is how you would know what price would do. Now, what if you don't want to chart? Well, as you guys can see here on my beautiful news, we have the house burning, unfortunately, but you will be able to, again, look at the news, fundamentals. So that is Daily FX is a really good website. Forex Factory is an amazing website. It'll show you all the economic news that's coming up across all the different currencies that you would likely be trading. So if you do not want to worry about technical analysis, just look at the news and you can still be fine. Now, when can you trade? You can trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 24 hours. Saturday, the market closes, and Sunday, it opens at 5 p.m. EST. This does not include crypto. Crypto is open 24/7. It never sleeps. This just includes the major currencies, aka the big economical ones. Now, you have major sessions as well. The market is going to be moving and have the heaviest volume. So the 3 most major sessions that you should probably pay attention to: Asian session, London session, New York session. Asian is from 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. EST. 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. EST is when London would be, and New York is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST. Now, guys, check out my drawing. See, I have the Taj Mahal. I hope I said that right. I have the Big Ben and the London Bridge. And listen, guys, it's not falling down. I actually got it to stand. And of course, we have the Statue of Liberty. I like to add in a little bit of pieces. Now, you're probably wondering, $25,000 giveaway, Kelly, what does that mean? Why do you randomly have this taking up 1/4 of the entire whiteboard? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I finally got my first official sponsorship, and it's not in the way that I actually kind of hoped it would be. So as some of of you know, I started trading Forex with sway markets. It started off as a challenge. It went beyond what I could imagine. And I got them a lot of customers because I used a referral link, as anybody can, right? If you want somebody to join Robinhood, you'd send them your referral link. Webull, you send them your referral link. So for sway markets, which is the broker I was using, they reached out to me after what seemed like 10 years and they said, hey Kelly, we saw that you were doing a giveaway. We want to contribute $5,000 to that. So initially I was going to give away $20,000. Now it's $25,000 and I'm even adding more. You're probably wondering, how am I adding even more money? Well, here's the rules. It's only a two-step process. One, you have to make sure you have a registered account with Sway Markets using the link in my description because they are giving money and contributing money towards this giveaway. So we kind of have to give back to them. But here's the great part is when you do use my link, the referral I get, I still am going to use for future giveaways because as you guys know, Kelly's very charitable and I love to give back to you guys. I believe that we should all have great opportunities to succeed in this life. I want to make sure that you can get a little bit of that. And like I always say, even if you only get a little bit of whatever I give away in the future, it can still go a long way and it can help you change other people. Second thing, so I have a lot of scammers on TikTok, guys. I'm going to be very honest with you. I have a ton of scammers on TikTok. They are scamming people out of tens of thousands of dollars. My thing is, I want us to be able to create a bigger impact. I want us to be able to give away more money. I want us to be able to grow and I want to be able to help you in your entire journey, whether that's trading, life, whatever it is, right? So the second thing you have to do is create a TikTok account and repost my videos, whatever it is. If it's parts of TikToks, if it's parts of YouTube, you can literally go to Opus Clip. It is a website that will chop down a whole length YouTube video into different TikToks in like 30 seconds. So you can do that, post it, and make sure you put in the description 25K OG. If you don't put in your bio 25K OG, I won't know the difference between you and a fake account. And I am going to reach out to the winner via TikTok. So make sure your messages are open and we're going to verify that you also have a Sway Markets account. And there's going to be multiple winners. Over 25 people are going to get this money. Knowing the way I usually am, I'm going to give away a little bit more than that, especially to those on TikTok, because again, if you're spreading the impact, that means a lot to me. So just to reiterate and review, Forex has 28 pairs. It is the trading of foreign currencies internationally. If the primary is stronger than the secondary, it's going to buy. If primary is weaker than the secondary, it's going to sell. You can use news. You don't have to learn technical analysis, but you can learn technical analysis. Use a broker. Remember, these are your major sessions, so you can take a screenshot if you want to. And the hours that market is open and the days, 6 days a week, almost 24 hours. And again, $25,000 giveaway, link in the description. Make sure you join Sway Markets with the link in my description. If you already have an account, great. 2, make sure you create a Kelly OG related TikTok page, put 25K OG in your bio, and then post as many videos as me as you can or as you want. And I'm gonna pick the best pages that I believe really went and put in their work and really tried. And I'm going to message you on TikTok and let you know you are the winner. So make sure your messages are open. I hope that helped you. I think maybe I went over, maybe I was less. That was super fast. Let me know if you understand Forex just a little bit better. And if not, then I'll make another one. But anywho's guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. It's awesome. I'm so grateful. Thank you for taking your time to listen to me today because I'm not the most fun person. So if you could just do one thing that's gonna take a little bit of your time, like, comment, and of course, if you really want to, subscribe. Now, I'm going to say a quick prayer because I do that in every single one of my videos, or at least I try to when I can remember to. But God has blessed me tremendously and I want to be able to bless you. So God, I just ask that you protect, bless, and cover this person that's listening to this, that you help them in their trading journey, however it's going to expand. You help them in their life. You help them within their friendships, relationships, and their love. God, I just ask that you continue to be there for them, forgive them for their sins, and allow them to experience the goodness of your love and mercy. In Jesus' name, amen. You guys stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching.